following table of United States cities by crime rate is based on Federal Bureau of Investigation Uniform Crime Reports statistics. The population numbers are based on U.S. Census estimates for the year end. The number of murders includes non-negligent manslaughter. This list is based on the reporting. In most cases the city and the reporting agency are identical. However, in some cases such as Charlotte, Honolulu, and Las Vegas, the reporting agency has more than one municipality. Murder is the only statistic that all agencies are required to report. Consequently, some agencies do not report all the crimes. If components are missing, the total is adjusted to zero. Note about population: often, one obtains very different results depending on whether crime rates are measured for the city jurisdiction or the metropolitan area. Information is voluntarily submitted by each jurisdiction, and some jurisdictions do not appear in the table because they either did not submit data or they did not meet deadlines. The FBI website has this disclaimer on population estimates. For the 2009 population estimates used in this table, the FBI computed individual rates of growth from one year to the next for every city, town and county using 2000 decennial population counts and 2001 through 2009 population estimates from the U.S. Census Bureau. Each agency unregistered trademark S rates of growth were averaged. That average was then applied and added to its 2008 census population estimate to derive the agency unregistered trademark S 2009 population estimate. Crime rates per 100,000 people. Crime statistics are listed for U.S. cities with a population of 250,000 or greater. Rates are based on cases per 100,000 people for all of calendar year 2012. Criticism of ranking crime data. The FBI website recommends against using its data for ranking because these rankings lead to simplistic and/or incomplete analyses that often create misleading perceptions adversely affecting cities and counties, along with their residents. The FBI website also recommends against using its data to judge how effective law enforcement agencies are, since there are many factors that influence crime rates other than law enforcement. In November 2007, the Executive Board of the American Society of Criminology went further than the FBI itself, and approved a resolution opposing not only the use of the ratings to judge police departments, but also opposing any development of city crime rankings from FBI uniform crime reports at all. The resolution opposed these rankings on the grounds that they fail to account for the many conditions affecting crime rates, and divert attention from the individual and community characteristics that elevate crime in all cities, though it did not provide sources or further elaborate on these claims. The resolution states the rankings represent an irresponsible misuse of the data and do groundless harm to many communities, and work against a key goal of our society, which is a better understanding of crime-related issues by both scientists and the public. The U.S. Conference of Mayors passed a similar statement, which also committed the conference to working with the FBI and the U.S. Department of Justice to educate reporters, elected officials, and citizens on what the data means and doesn't mean. See also, Shrinking Cities in the USA, Crime in the United States, Demographics of the United States, References.